Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, and here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're hanging out on the island at Lake Havasu, and we're gonna jump in the camper and make some Queso Fresco dip. Now this recipe is super easy. You'll just need some softened cream cheese, some Queso Fresco, cilantro, lime juice, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and aleppo pepper, and then a chip or a cracker of your choice. Now first, you're just going to mix together your Queso Fresco and your softened cream cheese. We are going to take our lime and we are just gonna squeeze the juice in there. Now we're just gonna chop up some cilantro, and you can cut this whatever size you would like. Now you're just gonna drop in your cilantro, and then we're gonna put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of each of our spices. We're just gonna heat this up a little bit, so I'm gonna microwave it at 15-second intervals until it's as warm as I'd like it to be. Well, I ended up microwaving ours for 30 seconds to get a nice and creamy consistency. We're about to enjoy it with some chips. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoy this recipe and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.